Thailand is filled with unique and weird experiences, and we found one that was too weird to be true. In this vlog, we will show you a prison that you can actually pay to stay in, share our best budget tips for food, and how we discovered a beautiful place by accident. So get a coffee, grab something to eat, and enjoy the show.
We got a pink cab.
What is up, everyone? This is our second last day in Bangkok. We have checked out of our last Airbnb and we have moved to a new one. This is a really special place, one of the places that we really wanted to stay at in our time in Bangkok, and you're gonna soon see why. It is basically a themed place. What the theme is, we will show you.
What's your name?
Yeah.
Okay, passport. Thank you. We got locked.
This place is just incredible. I mean, I thought, like in the pictures, it's just like a setup but everything can actually be so genuine. And this place is claustrophobic. And it literally makes me feel like maybe I'm in a very good and nicely maintained jail. But I have Wi-Fi and I have air conditioning. And the cafe is freaking nice, right? I can sit there all day.
It's a co-working space.
Yeah, this place is amazing, and we're gonna give you the entire vibe of the place in the B-roll coming up right now. Yup, that is Sook station. It's basically a hostel, but this is like a private room. You have dorms also at not so expensive prices. It is completely themed as a prison, and they actually give you this. They gave us this thing, and there's that thing where you take photos at the beginning or videos like we showed you, but it is completely equipped. It's like it looks like it's a shabby place because it's been made to look like that. But it has an air condition.
Side lights, study table, really fluffy mattress, really nice linen. The washrooms.
Oh yeah, the washroom. For a moment, your head is in sort of like messed up. That what is this? Is this a washroom of like a really big hotel, or are you in the best prison in the world?
Did you get lots of shampoos and conditioners?
I didn't see, but I know you did. So yeah, I mean, if you're looking to come and have this experience, the place is called Sook Station. There's an amazing cafe that we'll also show you in a bit. We'll go there right now after change.